Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Friday the 10th of February 2023. Approaching midday here in Europe, so we've got a few hours still before we enter the US session. It was the US session which caused where basically everything happened in markets yesterday across the board, as well in cryptos, and you can see that reflected in some of the prices here, especially on my intraday time frames. I got BTC still on the daily, but you can actually see it clearer from the H4. Particularly these two H4 bars right at the end of the day. In fact, early on today as well, / late night in the US, and the S&P at the time was getting heavily sold into heading into the close. I was talking about it here. It was quite late here in Europe. Could that set the stage for today? We've seen a bit of a pause, to be fair, on the back of that. But that correlation, which we talked about earlier in the week with cryptos, which had dropped quite significantly. Let me just find it. Here we go. The BTC to Nasdaq correlation. It had dropped at the start of this year, but just starting to show some signs of turning back around, because the move down was basically a risk-off move. It was seen across tech. It was seen in equities. You saw flow coming into the US dollar, for example, and of course cryptos felt some pain on the back of that. From a technical perspective, especially on Ethereum and Bitcoin, came as no real surprise. We'd seen quite a bit of consolidation, but to be honest, it was looking a little bit toppy after that rejection off the 24k handle late last week, and then this week you had that outside bar printed on Wednesday, and then Thursday basically took out the lows from the week and also that outside bar low, and we moved down all the way into 21,850, which is one of our levels. We've found some support there. We're trading at that level right now. If we can't stabilize here and we continue from yesterday, then 21,125 is the next area of support, and even a full fade to where we were at basically on the on mid-Jan, which was around the 20k area, could be seen this week. Well, not this week, but that could be the next target for the bears, let's say. Ethereum is testing the current range lows, as you can see, 1550 being put under some pressure. That's the key level on this market. If we can't hold there, then it's a long way to fall, all the way down to where we saw the Friday close, big gap up on the Monday. It was a strong weekend, that one, and that had come through around 1450. Litecoin as well also saw some selling. We saw a big rejection this week off 102. We double topped there. We suggested watching that level quite closely, especially when we came back into 95. We found some support in 95 initially, but as soon as that level got taken out, the selling got quite strong. A lot of stops below here, so that's the takeout of this horizontal support level kind of exacerbated the move down and made it a lot faster, more volatile. And we saw a move all the way down in the end into 90, where we saw a bounce. So we did see a bounce literally on the round number of 90, as you can see there where my mouse is. So 90 provided some support. The level I was looking for support was 9160. That was quite a lot of resistance that was found not too long ago. So finding some support there today so far, in fact. Ripple also just tilting lower, albeit trading conditions on this market have been pretty ugly now, with quite thin liquidity. 0.3870 providing some intraday resistance so far. That was the support level, and now turning resistance. So the longer we're below here, the more you start to think a move all the way down into 0.3345 could be back on the cards. Not much else to report from my end today yet. As soon as there is, we'll post it inside the crypto chat room. But until next time, all the best with your crypto trading. Take care and bye for now.